UMLA ka Congress ubaroni viling do ulaong baka party kadang ap ikaray jong speaker Halor ka Jingujor ka party Pyrshah ki Ngut ke MLA ki bala Pyrshah ka NPP. Habakren menta kesengi ubaroni ulaong bahado menta u speaker u Thomas E Sangma umpat ai ka nuku rai bat hadian bala yo ikaray ka jong speaker ka party ka sapper khat kumno banya shkmat. Halor ke jingkali bo speaker lakam ka jingrong jong kilangot ke MLA ke NPP ka longkat kum ka an uba roni uloong ba kampher la da uong ka piang ka ba syong nia Henry Deban Pha da ka jingtho. La ruban kdo ba laingot ke MLA ka Congress kan tupi u Dr. Celestine Ling do na umsning uba Charles Marnga na mauhati but uba Gabriel Walang ki bala job na ka Congress kilakrat no ke NPP dangshen. Halor jong kani ka Congress kala ujor Pyrshah so speaker bakini kilangot ki bapen Kenya ka an pet seng ne anti defection law kat kum ka 10 schedule ka riti sensha jong ka ri ka chat pen ria.
With the speaker, now the speaker is yet to give his decision. When the speaker gives his decision, then accordingly we will take next course of action.
Are you taking this matter to the court?
It depends on the decision of the speaker. Now we cannot, in anticipation, take a decision until and unless the speaker gives his decision. Then we'll think about the next course of action.
The speaker told a section of the media that everything is in order.
Everything is in?
Okay, everything he has done.
Who said?
No, whatever it is, we don't know whether it is in order or not in order, but let the speaker gives his decision. Then accordingly we'll think about the next course of action.
But he's not writing for the last 1 month to you. He's not giving any reply to you.
Then we will remind him, we will write to him that you please give your decision. For his decision, maybe he is consulting legal experts, then accordingly we will take a decision.